News for your health tonight. The Spokane Regional Health District confirms a second case of measles in Spokane. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. This comes just a week after the first confirmed case of measles in Spokane in 20 years. Officials say anyone who went to Madeline's Cafe on April 23rd from 7:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. or the Winco on North Nevada from 5 to 8 p.m. or the Madeline's again on April 24th from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. could possibly have been exposed. KXLY4's Grace Ditzler, she's working for you tonight. And Grace, what are officials doing to keep the measles from spreading any further?
Well, the health district is doing three different things. First, they're quarantining any of those people that could have been exposed that are unvaccinated. And they're encouraging those people who are unvaccinated and could be showing symptoms to stay away from public events, especially Bloomsday. And they're urging anyone who's unvaccinated to go get that MMR vaccine as soon as possible. It's the first confirmed case of the measles on April 21st. The health district has monitored those who were exposed to the sick person. The second case was someone already on their radar.
It was a close contact of the original case.
The health district had difficulty contacting this person at first, which is why they were out in public last Thursday and Friday.
The individual into quarantine at home. The individual was no longer out in the public, which really limited the exposures in case illness developed.
This quarantine process is going on with about 20 other unvaccinated individuals who are required to stay home for 21 days. More than 250 possibly exposed people have been cleared by the health district because they were previously immunized.
We have different levels of interaction that we might do. We might have a mandatory order from the health officer that you must stay home, and if you don't stay home, we will take other actions. We'll just check in with them every so often to make sure they're not developing symptoms and that nobody else is coming into the home.
One of the health district's biggest concerns is Bloomsday, with so many people in the community all in one place. The health district is urging any unvaccinated person experiencing cold-like symptoms to stay home. And in the meantime, consider getting vaccinated.
So individuals who are not immune to measles who have been exposed are probably going to get it, and they're going to be quarantined at home for up to 3 weeks. So that takes its toll on people, but we're protecting the entire public from people running around with measles in the community.
Measles symptoms include a high fever, a cough, runny nose, and red eyes, followed by a rash of tiny red spots all over the body, diarrhea, and ear infections. And a reminder that all of the exposure sites that were listed above, as well as the sites from the first case, are now safe to go to. And you're only at risk if you are unvaccinated and you visited those places during those designated time frames. And a reminder that the MMR vaccine is available at many doctors' offices and pharmacies like Safeway and Walgreens with or without insurance. Reporting at the Health District tonight, I'm Grace Ditzler, KXLY4 News.
Thank you.